So first we have to open Excel and create a new blank workbook. So now you add the month, income, expenses, savings goals, actual savings, and the difference on the actual spreadsheet. And next you can fill in the months from January to December. Now after you've done that, we'll add some example numbers to show formulas are working. You can feel free to replace them with your own. For example, you can add here 4,000 as my first income, and you can actually, as a bonus tip, you can copy and paste it if your income is equal all throughout the year. For example, like this. And there you go for the entire income for the entire year. Next, you may add the expenses depending on each of your months. Then you can start to add your individual savings goals for each specific month. Like for example, I have a 800 ringgit savings goals for every single month. Then you can click on this and just drag down, and there you go, the actual savings for each month. Next we will be calculating the difference. We will use these formula equals, and then we click on actual savings minus the savings goals for that specific month. And there we have it. For the differences, we can copy and paste this down the entire column. Now Excel has calculated the savings for each month and shows how far you are from your current target. Next, we can add a couple more things like total income, total expenses, total savings, average monthly savings, and months below goal. Next, we will be adding the formulas for each one of these. So for example, the total income here is equal sum brackets the cell for your income in January all the way till December, and then close the brackets, and there you go. That is the total income for the whole year. Next, the total expenses is equal sign sum for this cell till the entire year. Next is the total savings, where you do the exact same thing, sum of this, and then drag down, close, and enter. Now for the average monthly savings, the formula is a bit different. It's equal sign average with the brackets of actual savings from here all the way down. Finally, for the months below goal, the formula is equal count if from the actual savings, comma, string less than actual saving goals, which is 800, and then close the string. And there it counts how many times you were below 800 in your actual savings. Next, we can add borders for every single one of our tables. Next, we can color our tables so that it is a bit more appealing to the eye. And finally, let's highlight any month where actual savings is less than the goal. The highlight shortfalls thing. So first, we have to click on the actual savings here and drag down, then go to conditional formatting, new rule, use a formula to determine which cells to format, and input the formula equal F3 less than 800, and set the format to fill, the color red, and press OK. Here, as you can see, it changed all the under savings goals all to red. That's it for the Excel video. Please share and leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Thanks.